In a realm where creativity and relaxation converged, a group of DIY enthusiasts embarked on an enchanting journey to construct a miniature villa that would redefine tranquility. Their vision: a serene oasis featuring swimming pools and slides, all meticulously crafted from the soothing magic of magnetic balls. The tale began with the careful selection of magnetic spheres, each one destined to play a crucial role in the creation of this miniature masterpiece. The builders envisioned not just a villa but a haven that would evoke a sense of calm and joy. As the magnetic balls clicked and connected, a gentle symphony of creation unfolded, setting the stage for a story where every connection echoed with the promise of serenity. The first chapter unfolded with the construction of the miniature villa, a tiny dwelling designed to encapsulate the essence of relaxation. Transparent walls, formed by the magnetic spheres, allowed glimpses into the serene pools within. The builders marveled at how the villa seemed to embody tranquility, a testament to the harmonious dance between human ingenuity and the magnetic magic. With the miniature villa standing as a testament to their creativity, attention turned to the pools and slides, a liquid oasis that would enhance the miniature sanctuary. Each pool was meticulously designed, with slides crafted to provide a delightful journey into the cooling waters. The builders envisioned a miniature paradise where the magnetic allure would harmonize with the gentle flow of water, creating an oasis of calm. As the pools and slides reached completion, the builders reveled in the immersive symphony of construction. The ASMR experience heightened the joy, as magnetic clicks and soothing sounds provided a therapeutic backdrop, echoing the tranquility of flowing water and the excitement of creation. The grand reveal marked a moment of tranquility. The miniature villa with its swimming pools and slides stood as a testament to the delicate balance between innovation and relaxation. The comments section overflowed with admiration, viewers expressing the seamless blend of creativity, architectural elegance, and the immersive sounds that envelop the DIY sanctuary. In the heart of this miniature haven, the builders reveled in the joy of having not just constructed a villa with pools and slides, but having woven a narrative where peace and playfulness converged. The miniature villa became more than a project. It was a symbol of the extraordinary joy that emerges when imagination takes a plunge into the magical waters of DIY creation. And so, in the realm of DIY dreams, the saga of the miniature villa with swimming pools and slides endured as a celebration of ingenuity and the immersive magic of magnetic spheres. The builders cherished the memory of crafting not just a tiny sanctuary but a story where the joy of creation flowed as freely as the waters in their serene miniature oasis.